Hey, what's up, y'all? So today's video is just all about me cooking breakfast. Y'all chit-chatting with me. I'm not talking about anything in particular, just going with the flow. But anyway, what I do want to touch bases on today, y'all, is Power Season 6. Season finale is about to come back on. So I want to hear y'all thoughts. You know what I'm saying? I'm too excited. But what I really need to do is go back and binge watch season 5 so I can, get caught back up on what's going on. Because they wait forever for their seasons to come back on. It's like season 5 go off and then like a year later, boom, they like, oh, season 6 coming back on. Anyway, we forgot what happened now. But anyhow, but what I'm really excited to see is if Angela Valdez is still alive or not. I want to know if Tommy really killed her or what they finna do this season. It's finna be so lit because this is the last season, so ain't nobody safe. Nobody's safe. But I do think they will spare Ghost's life, you know what I'm saying, because he is the star of the show, so I don't think he's gonna die or anything like that. But this is what I predict. I think that Angie is still alive on episode 1. As soon as they come on, I think she's still alive and she might be like in the hospital or something like that. And then maybe the end of episode 1 or maybe episode 2, when it comes on, she might die. So that's my predictions with Angie. Now, as far as Tommy and Ghost, oh, it's a wrap. Their friendship is over. That's what I think. So, and they can be going at each other, of course. I think we've seen that in the previews. But then again, ain't no telling. They might form an alliance again against, what's the light-skinned dude name? Whatever, I forgot his name. But, yeah, what else? What else I'm excited to see is what's going to happen with Proctor and this laptop. He think he's slick. Although I do like Proctor, though, so we'll see what happens. But, yeah, other than that, I want to hear y'all thoughts on this. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all have to say about what y'all predictions are, Anyhow, these blueberry pancakes made per the kids' request. They spoil rotten. Anyhow, about to go ahead and get these pancakes going. And then what's going on right here? What am I about to do? I'll put the turkey sausage on. Turkey patties is what's up. Why are my kids making noise in the background? Because that's just what they do. Would I expect any silence? No. Getting another round of these pancakes going. We're about to eat good. We got so much stuff to do today. What do we have to do today? As a matter of fact, I think I might vlog today. I have so much to do. I have to take my son to golf practice, do a little shopping. My daughter wants a pair of white pants. So I have so much to do. And then I need to buy some decorations for my family room. So I'm going to redo that room. So, y'all get to hang with me today. I know by 3 o'clock it's supposed to be thundering outside. So whatever is going to be popping today, I need to be done by 3 and in the house and watching Power Season 5. That's what I do know. These potatoes is jumping. See that steam? Now I'm about to get these eggs going. So I'm just seasoning these eggs. I'm putting like several different seasonings up in there. I think I put some garlic powder up in there, black pepper, seasoning salt. You know what I'm saying? You have to season eggs. We season everything anyway, so I like my eggs cooked a little bit hard. I don't like them soft and watery and runny and all that different kind of crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook these up. Add me some cheese up in here. And then after this, I think I'm about done. Stir that real good. Stir, stir, stir. For dear life. Y'all might hear some background noises, but just never mind that. That's just the kids. They don't ever do right. You can tell them you about to do a voiceover on a video, and then what do you hear? Knocking, sounds, everything. So whatever. Add some cheese, plenty of cheese. Cause ain't nothing like those cheesy eggs. Y'all know what else is good to me though? Some cheesy eggs with some rice. Boom, who's with that? If y'all like that combination, comment down below. Yep, fry them bad boys hard. No watery eggs. I hate when people make soft eggs. Let that cheese melt a little more. And then boom, we about done. Y'all, so here is the finished product of everything. Got the turkey sausage, the smothered potatoes, the eggs and cheese, some fruit, and some blueberry pancakes, y'all. So thanks for hanging with me, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Y'all have a good day. Bye.